In this video, I'm going to be showing you live trading execution of how I trade every single market open, and the strategy or framework or model, whatever you want to call it, that got me, I think it's like 4,500, if I'm not mistaken, $4,500 in payouts so far. Got me to pass a bunch of funded accounts, challenges, and yeah, this has just been my bread and butter. This is what I always go for, base hits. Um, yeah, so stay tuned. Let me know your thoughts. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and enjoy. I think we push lower. Yeah. I thought we would tap the overnight point of control first before going back up, but looks like price has other plans. I'm gonna extend my target on this one. I really think we flush. Close, but no cigar on that. Just gonna keep trailing it, I think. Let's just make it nice and easy, huh? All right, and that's it. That's a $500 trade. Could have went for more, but I don't see a reason to push it, you know? I don't see a reason to push it. So the idea behind the trade was, as you saw, we tapped off this overnight point of control. We've been bearish for the past couple hours, and we had a massive move up. So I thought we would at least want to go for this overnight low. And the way we were acting off this overnight point of control, I waited for price to break through the current point of control for this session, and then I set the limit order. Once we pushed past it, I set the limit order right at the point of control, and you saw it. It got tagged right in, and we pushed. I mean, we really pushed. I see. I always get the issue now. Like, should I have held for the additional 15 points? I would have been 750. But yeah, I might risk it for the biscuit on this. I might. Do I risk another 250 to go for more, right? I don't know. I don't know. I think we'll just leave it. I think we'll just call it at that. It's $600 in like less than 3 minutes, so that's literally what I do every day. That's what I do every day. That's how I just took a payout on this. That's how I just requested the payout on this account, all approved. That's how this was from the Asia trade, but I would say a majority of this account, if you've been following me, I just ended the 16-day win streak yesterday. Not even trading this, just trading, just taking stupid trades pre-market, and then I didn't have enough drawdown for the market open. But this is literally how, that right there, what you saw is literally how I brought this account to payout. And I literally requested $1,000 yesterday, and I'm back halfway up there. Now, usually I go for the 1-to-1, right? Usually I'm set, I have my bracket set for 12.5 risk, and pretty much 12.5 take profit. Now, I decided not to do that for this account because I just got an email from TopStep saying that they're monitoring me for live, and I'd like to make as much payout, like pull as many amount of payouts as I can from sim funded before going live, because then you only have one account. So I'm okay with not going for the 1-to-1 there. I went for the 1-to-2, and but yeah, usually it's just a 1-to-1. We're in, we're out, and that's really it. But if I'll be honest, if we break through this, see, like that would have worked right there. Let's see if this would have worked. 12 and a, so that would have hit right there. So it works, you can't be, you really can't be greedy. I was definitely greedy today, but I think it was okay to do so, to push the boundaries a bit. And if it would have hit break even, then I would have been fine, right? And I went break even at a 1-to-1. So it works. I think I'm going to release like a really short, simple series on how I do this and what this framework or strategy or whatever you want to call it looks like, on a day-to-day. So stay tuned. Like, comment, subscribe. If you want some more live trading execution videos, I'd be happy to do them. So just let me know in the comments. Thanks.